What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $800 PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And by the end of this month, somebody's going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out this channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And it's going to be very, very important for you to follow me on Instagram. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, that's going to increase your odds of winning the free money. So follow me at App Grind. All right, guys. Please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss anything. I don't want you to miss any of these steps that you need to take to make this money. All right, guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. Now, I've talked about this website before, but it's been a while, but I want to bring it back up because it's one of the best testing websites that's on the net, and it's validately. Now, yes, so this is a user test website. So once you come here, you're going to go ahead and click on Get Paid to Test. It's going to take you to this page here. So test websites, make money. It's that simple. So you'll click here to sign up, and we'll go through the whole sign up process once I tell you a little bit more about this process right here. So what you're going to do, okay, before I tell you the process of the steps you need to take, I just want to let you know that these are the companies that come here. So you're going to be testing like Google, Amazon.com, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate. So these are the big companies that work with this website. Now here's the steps you're going to have to take to get started. And what you're going to do is sign up. You'll sign up here where it says click on sign up. And you'll be asked to provide your basic demographic information and start taking tests. You'll start receiving emails offering money for feedback on websites and apps. Then 3, you'll get paid. So you'll be paid for every test you successfully complete. And let's just scroll down here and look at some of the frequently asked questions. So what do you need to get started? So you need a computer with a microphone or Apple or Android smartphone. And you need high-speed internet. You need to be at least 18 years of age, and you must have the ability to communicate in English. And you must have a PayPal account. Now, how often are new tests available? Tests are available daily. Not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you may be notified by available tests less frequently. And I'm gonna let you know that if you want to get tests on a daily basis, you're gonna have to be based in United States. But what you can do is use a VPN, and that'll show that you are available in United States when you use the VPN. And you'll be able to get tests all the time because it's going to show that you are available in the United States, and you're going to get tests by email on a daily basis. Now, here's one important thing right here that you guys are going to love. How much money will I make and how will I be paid? Payments vary based on the test. However, many of our studies pay in the $100 range for a live remote research session. So you can get up to $100 for each test. You can easily make $700 to $800 from doing these tests. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to the sign up because I just want to show you what type of questions they're going to be asking you when you sign up. So you're going to create an account right here. And here's the first question they're going to ask you is, what type of mobile device do you own? You can say iPhone, iPad, Android, or something else. I got an iPhone, so I'll click that. Right here, what type of computer do you own? I own the Windows PC. What versions of Windows? That was Windows 10. Say gender you are. See, these questions are very simple. What year you was born? You know, so I'm going to say whatever. And I'm not going to go through all these questions, but these are the simple questions that they ask. All right, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this website. All right, so that's it, guys. If you're ready to go ahead and start making this money with this website, go to validately.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, hold up. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've talked about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at appgrind. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Hey, I'm still doing shout outs. So all you got to do is just drop a creative comment in the comments below and I might shout you out in one of my videos. You just never know. So drop a creative comment and also drop hashtag the grind is real along with that comment. And I want to just announce something that I want you guys to check out. I have a new podcast that's related to this channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And what I talk about on that podcast is how to hustle, grind, and grow your business, and how to hustle, grind, and grow as a person. So, if you're trying to up your game in the business world or as an entrepreneur, I'm going to go over some tips, methods, and habits that you need to practice on a daily basis to be able to grow your business and grow as a person, mentally, physically, psychologically. So that's what the podcast is going to be about. Also, I'm going to have interviews with successful people in business. It could be a successful YouTuber. It can be a successful marketer. It could be a successful trader. So it's going to be a very, very interesting and informative podcast. So I want you guys to check it out, called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And the link will be in the description and also in the comment section. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. But one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.